In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your LLM credentials in n8n. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to securely store the details your large language model needs to work inside your workflows. First, make sure you're looking at the main n8n editor interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel. Open the section labeled Personal. This is where your user-specific settings live, including the place we'll use to manage secure connections. Inside Personal, click the Credentials tab. This tab is dedicated to storing and organizing the keys and tokens your tools require. Now, click Create Credentials. This opens a catalog of available credential types you can add. Next, use the search bar to look up the LLM provider you want to connect. You'll see a list of supported options, and selecting one automatically loads the right form for that provider. Choosing from the list ensures the fields match what that LLM expects, so you're not guessing where things go. If you don't immediately see your provider, try a simple keyword, like the service name, and check for variants. Once you've selected your provider, you'll be prompted to enter its credentials. This usually includes an API key, and may also include items like a base URL, organization or project ID, or a default model. Keep your API key handy in a secure location and copy it carefully to avoid extra spaces. It's a good idea to give the credential a clear, memorable name, like the provider and intended use, so you can recognize it later when building workflows. If there are optional fields, fill them in only if you know you need them. For example, setting a default model here can save you time later, but you can often choose models per node as well. Before you save, double-check each field for typos. Credentials are sensitive, and n8n stores them securely, so you should never include them in notes or descriptions. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's it. Your LLM credential is now created and ready to use. From here, whenever you add an LLM-related node in a workflow, you can select the credential you just saved from the drop-down. Keeping credentials in one central place makes updates simple and reduces mistakes across multiple workflows. You've successfully added your LLM credentials in n8n. If you ever need to update or rotate a key, return to the same Credentials tab, edit the entry, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.